Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of MGM Resort International, and this is one of those companies where you can probably check that whether there is a spike in consumption, because when people are happy, people have money they want to spend, they are like a kind of choosing these kind of services. Okay, they want to get treated with, and this kind of companies will give you a sense that whether money is moving into the economy or not. Okay, being said that, if you can check, the stock is anyhow moved a bit in the past couple of days from 16 odd dollars, or if you check the 1 month trend, what you can see is that from a low of 14 or $15 it had moved towards $21. So it's a pretty big rise. And if you look at the long term chart, from its lows it has already moved 290 odd percent. And the way the stock is moved, if you look at this chart, the chart is flat, it's not like going up or down. That's why a long term chart will always give you a sense about what is happening with the overall trend of the chart, rather than we are looking at 1 month or 1 year or 2 year kind of trend. We are going to look at the trend for the longest time possible the stock is trading, and then we are going to find out that what is the actual place where the stock lies, and how we can assess the performance of the stock going forward. So that's what we can assess here. And if you check at the overall trend of the stock, you can see something like this. If you want, you can make some couple of support and resistance line like this, but the overall trend is pretty much flat. And in a flattish kind of trend, what you need to do is just stay inside the trend. Okay, try to find out the extreme levels of the range and stick with that. So here, the way with which you can use this stock price and the stock movement is, just look at the highest resistance, which is at 104, and lowest one, which is at $2. Okay, 2.23, and below which there is another support level at 1.89. So 2.23 and 1.89 are the important support levels, and 104 is your resistance level. So you should not think beyond 104 for the time being, and the stock can go towards 2.23 to 1.89 if the things goes bad. That's what you need to look. But if you look at the overall trend, what you can see here, that from 1989 till 2007 the stock has given you 4400% of return, but it has not touched its 2007 highs yet. So it will go towards its previous high. Obviously this will take time, and the chart is saying so, but what we can see here, the probability of reaching towards its previous high is much more when compared to its lows, because the chart is saying these kind of trends. So if you look at the chart, what you can see here is your support, immediate support will come at around 16.83, and if it breaks that level, the stock can go towards 6.84, 6.14 to 5.59. And on the upside, your first resistance, or you can say the target, will be at around 36.87, and once it crosses and stay above that, there is another resistance level. So from 36 to 46 or 47, these are your target or resistance, but once it crosses that, it will go towards 104. So the probability is very high, but you should not think that it will go beyond 104 unless it actually breaks out and stay above 104 105 and sustain over there. So unless it happens, you cannot say that the stock is going anywhere, and you should treat the trend in the same manner. Okay, so stay within the range. Anyhow the stock is going up, but don't ever expect unless we can see the same kind of enthusiasm performed by the stock. Till then, just stay with the trend and follow the support and resistance in a disciplined manner. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this kind of contents. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.